Did we do the record now? Did we?
Okay, so good afternoon. What time is it where you are?
It's 11:35.
In the morning.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's 8:30 in the evening right here. My name is Jethro. Who are you?
I'm Noah.
I know.
I'm Mason.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Brandon.
Aiden.
Yeah.
Hayden. Okay. So are you four family?
No. Me too. Us too.
Noah and Kaden are.
Okay. And the other two, your friends?
Yes.
You go to the same class at school?
Yeah.
We're in the same. We're not in the same schools, but we're in the same district.
Okay, good. Good. So tell me about your mission.
No.
So first, our robot will get off the base. Then our robot will follow the black line and help pull out a fire dog from the cave over there. Wait, do we show him that?
No, you just tell him first and we show later.
And then the robot's gonna push the bricks and then there's a fire dog on top of it, so then it will help it get to the moon. Then it's gonna spin moon phases, which represents when the fire dog bites pieces from the moon. And then it's gonna activate a thermometer, then it will show how cold the moon can get. Then it will collect moon pieces and put them together. Then push a lever and then it will spin Earth and Moon model. Then it will return to base.
Okay. Can you show me the mission field?
Yeah.
Let me run the robot. Okay. Can he see our?
Yes, I can. Okay. So can you identify the different areas of the mission for me, please?
Okay.
Where's base?
So the base is right here.
Okay. So what will the robot do when it leaves base?
So then it will knock down this door and then follow the black line to that cave.
Uh-huh. Okay. And after that?
And then it will pull this.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you started. Just. Okay. Good. Well, walk me through it. Tell me, what is it doing?
So then it's following the black line and it pulled out the fire dog. Then it's sort of stuck it.
No.
And then it's gonna push the bricks into the moon. Then it's gonna spin that. And then it's gonna knock that down, which shows how cold the moon can get at nighttime.
Okay.
And then it's gonna push those pieces together to make the moon.
Just turn on microphone.
Good.
It's not on.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna push this, which will make this spin.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's gonna return to base.
Okay. Good. So how did you score on this mission?
Can you, Cadence, explain how many score, how much score?
So when you leave base and open the gate, it's worth 10 points, and then if you pull this fire dog out of the cave, it is also worth 10 points. And then if you push this fire dog into the moon, it's 10 points. And these three are all 10 points, and this one is 30 points.
Okay. Good. What I'd like you to do is to run the mission again. Okay? And this time, don't touch anything. Just let the robot go and see how many points you can score without helping the robot.
Okay.
Okay? Just get everything ready. When you're ready, let me know and start the mission.
Our robot's a little bit broken, so it won't probably make most of it.
Okay, what happened to it? Can you fix it quickly?
The robot, when he was doing this one, it fell off the mat.
But that was just before the mission then, before we connected.
Yeah.
Ah.
And then we tried fixing it, but it didn't work. And it keeps, whenever it pulls the fire dog out, it keeps pushing those blocks aside from the moon. So, and then it crashes into the moon phase instead of spinning it.
It's okay. We can try our best how many it can work.
Okay, so that's 10 points then, right? For opening the door.
10. You can count. Yeah.
10 points. And then the total is 100 points.
Yeah. Don't touch.
I know it's difficult, just let it go for a while, okay?
Okay.
It's
Can we restart?
Is it stuck? Okay,
Yeah.
well then.
not sitting on the black, so.
Yeah, some of the motor might be broken. I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, just give it a little help then.
Okay,
So
try
we
one more
can
time.
push
Can
it.
we try one more time?
Yeah, that's good.
This is where it gets stuck. Yes.
Okay, stop then.
Okay, so tell me, what happened?
It got stuck over here. When we pulled it out, it hit this block and.
Okay, you want to give it another try?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice. It's a different angle. Maybe I can see different things.
ready.
Okay, so brought out the dog there.
Okay, that's another 10 points.
So
Yeah.
get 30.
Keep score, tell me.
So we got 40 points. No,
Yeah, 40.
40
So it
points.
would have been 40.
Can you lift the camera a little bit?
Now you have to start it.
Okay, start it. Yeah, no.
Okay, I got lost there. What happened?
So the robot got stuck there, and then you're supposed to push that, but then it got stuck in that mission, so we had to restart it.
Okay.
What's the name of that mission that it got stuck on? Yeah, what's it called?
The moon phases.
Ready? Oh, wait.
Let no I explain. No I explain one more time.
So get the microphone.
Okay, this is a great view, by the way.
And then it's going to pull that out, which is worth 10 points.
Why they follow the like I don't know.
Um,
Guy, this is the right program.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it's gonna. Then it was supposed to push those. Supposed to push those bricks into that circle.
Try
Okay.
again.
Did you make a specific marker where those bricks have to go, or are you just putting them there by feel?
Okay, show
We
them.
used the
Flip it up.
specific marker.
Okay. Ah, now I see it. Okay. Okay, let's give it a last try then.
Okay.
that's what we- Stupid.
Don't forget to reset the dog.
Yeah, you got the dog out.
And it's flipped over.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what seems to be going wrong there?
The robot pulls this out, but then instead of moving back over there, it follows the black line over to there, and then it gets stuck.
Okay, and do you know why it happens?
I think when we dropped it, one of the motors broke.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one's a bit shaky.
This motor broke.
Okay, good. But I've seen your first mission, so I've seen more or less how the game works. Do you work with Lego Mindstorms EV3? Is this the first time you've built something with the EV3?
Guys, mechanoid.
I got no
Yeah. Tell them why we used
Nathan, tell him about mechanoid. Your speed.
your speech.
We built this before we got our mechanoid, so some of these missions work well with mechanoid and some don't.
Okay, so you've got a second robot for those missions.
Yes, but then some of these missions they don't really work well with this one, so then we use the ECD.
Okay, you can run mechanoid robot then.
Can I run it?
Use
Yeah.
use
Let's
the
see.
phone.
And it's powered by Bluetooth.
No, take the red one off. No, just redo everything new. Nathan, just do new program.
No, this is a new program.
You have to connect first, I think.
No, it's already connected.
Okay, have the mechanoid do exactly the same mission?
Yeah, we're gonna do the moon. Gonna push the fire dog to the moon because this is one of those missions that don't interact with mechanoid very well.
Okay. But the mechanoid is not programmed.
Yeah, it's not programmed.
Okay, so it's Bluetooth controlled then. Okay, so tell me what you're going to do now.
Now we're gonna spin the moon phases.
You just missed an in.
Oh, I thought we were doing
Yeah, you spin.
Okay, so
Don't knock it down.
next it's gonna push the thermometer over here.
I'll do it.
And then it's gonna push these. It's gonna try and push these together. It's gonna push these together to make a moon. The pieces don't have to make the full moon. They just have to be touching, and they all have to be the circle.
Okay, go back to base then.
Okay, go back to base.
We'll try to activate the orbit model.
Then it's gonna try and activate
Turn.
Oh, you can use the arm. Oh, almost. Don't walk in the front of the camera, guys.
then it's gonna try and push this with the arm.
Move forward. That's module. Oh, this one good. Move forward. A little bit. Oh! Go back. Uh-oh. Go back. Okay.
Okay, so you're having some trouble coordinating that.
Yeah, but it's on maximum.
Mechanoid is kind of hard to control.
Okay. Did you figure out? Oh, okay.
Then go to base. And then it's gonna touch the
Okay.
All right. Okay. Nice to see. Right. Did you figure out if there was a way to program the mechanoid so he could do part of the missions himself?
No.
You saved the program before, right?
Yeah, I saved the program, but
Well,
then
you can program it, but then you have to do the things with the control first. Then you have to save it.
so we use Bluetooth instead.
Okay. Right. Okay. So you do a test run and then it will repeat the actions that you programmed it.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the end, you say you did it with the Lego Mindstorms because you received the mechanoid a lot later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got the mechanoid software a bit like a while after we built the missions. So.
The missions were we started first at August 8th.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the outreach. Tell them.
I talk to the judge. Don't talk about yourself.
Ethan,
Tell them when the outreach was. And
The outreach was on August 8th.
And when we get the software, I think after, right?
Yeah. So first the outreach was on August 8th, and then we got Mechanoid after everything was built. So
Oh, okay, I see. Okay. When you compare the two systems, which one did you like best?
Mechanoid was a lot harder, but
Give
it
him
could still
microphone.
do it.
Whoever talk, that microphone.
Is this on?
Yeah, don't worry, I can hear you.
We liked I liked the Mechanoid better because it could still do everything, but it's just a little bit harder. But then the EV3, it needs to get pushed a little, so.
Okay. Good. And is there anything else you'd like to tell me about?
Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
Well, aside from that, I'm curious how I've seen you've used a lot of Lego pieces to build some of the activities on the board. I can't quite make out how you built the Earth with the moon revolving around it. The last action that you wanted to do with the arm.
balls. We used like styrofoam, and then we just painted we painted it.
Okay, but I see you've used an NXT there, and then the lever trips a sensor.
Yep. So we use this touch sensor right here.
Okay, I see. Good. All right. Okay, thank you. I think I've seen all of your mission, and I've seen the run with the two different robots. Congratulations on all the work you've put into it,
Thank you.
and thank you for showing it to me in such detail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Our robot just broke right before the conference. That's why we connect to you later. And after they put the robot back together, I don't know, somehow the program doesn't work like before. So they try to fix, then it not happen. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah. So when we go do the outreach, normally we bring our table with the EV3 because it's more accurate. So we want to show people how robot is good. So how they can do all the job on the table. And we also bring the Mechanoid in the separate table. So the audience can control Mechanoid by using the Bluetooth. So they kind of have two tables at the outreach. So one is show how the robot can work by themselves, which is use EV3. And then another one is they're having fun with Mechanoid.
Okay.
So that's what we do for outreach, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. And the game was based on what the story that we have?
The fire dog that bit the moon.
Yeah, I've read the story.
Yeah, so they decided a game based on that. So half of them is the Earth that you can see. It's the green. And another half was the moon, which is the gray one. So we try to tie the story. It's very hard, but I think they did a good job in my opinion.
So did you all work together on the table, or did you build it? Yeah.
I'm not good with Lego. It's all Lego stuff. So they did. I think that one is to design what they want to build on the mission. I think who built the cave? Nathan built the cave. Yeah, that was the cave they built. Yeah, and this one thermometer. I think Noah built that. Yeah. Can you spin this? Yeah. That's a spoon face. Yeah. And Kaden was building this.
And so did I.
Yeah. So basically, they said it have to be.
Yeah, the four pieces that make up the moon. Then, to
Yeah,
make it
that
whole
was
again.
hard when they're thinking how they're gonna represent the full moon. but they come up with I think not a bad idea.
Mhm.
So the robot have to push them. I
Yeah,
think
you
some
showed
way.
me that in the first mission. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all they use a Lego piece. I don't think adult can do that anyway with the Lego. I'm not good at that Lego. Yes, that's all.
Okay, good. Well, thank you for showing me around the field, for showing me all the effort that you've made as a team.
Uh-huh.
Do you have any further questions?
I don't think so, but
Okay.
thank you so much.
It was
And
it was a pleasure.
this is my first time using Skype, and on top of that, we are busy about the robot dropping and Mechanoid doesn't work. They saved the program for Mechanoid,
Mhm.
but after we reland it, anytime the Mechanoid would act like, that we cannot control any
Yeah.
direction, so
Okay.
it get off anyway. So I just use Bluetooth then. So
Ah, good.
okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice
Nice to
afternoon.
see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.